days, we have embarked an enriching journey of learning, exchange of ideas, and meaningful discussions. Today marks the culmination of these collective efforts. It gives me a great pleasure to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all distinguished speakers, resource persons, and participants whose active involvement has made this FTP a memorable and impactful experience. So, the chair of today's valedictory session is Dr. Sunaina Ahuja. I would like to introduce her to you all. So,
welcome, ma'am.
Dr. Sunaina Ahuja has.
We are very much, having gratitude for you and heartfelt welcome as you have been here with your really busy schedule, I must say, but still to you make it happen. We are highly obliged.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for making me a part of this program, and I'm equally privileged to be with you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So Dr. Sunaina Ahuja has 20 years of experience in academia and corporate training. She is a distinguished HR thought leader, leadership coach, and a dynamic speaker. As professor and dean at Lovely Professional University, she champions experiential and research-driven professional development. A PhD in management, she has conducted 140 plus impactful faculty and management development program across leadership, emotional intelligence, analytics, and design thinking. Creator of NAV/Disha and Saksham initiative, she also leads LPU's NPTEL local chapter, earning AAA rankings. A certified Dale Carnegie trainer and SWAYAM gold medalist, Dr. Ahuja's mission is to elevate individuals and institutions through structured transformative learning. We wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am, to this valedictory session.
Thank you so much, Nisha, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. Now over to you, ma'am.
Esteemed dignitaries present here, Dr. Hema Sharma ji, President, New ST Managing Committee, Dr. Savita Gupta ji, Principal, ST College, Madam Arora, Nisha Arora ma'am, the coordinator of the program, esteemed participants from all across India, different colleges and universities, including Lovely Professional University. My colleagues are also present here. I'd start by a hearty congratulations to Dr. Savita Gupta for curating a great program and having so many people on board actively participate. What I'm so sure about things managed under her leadership is that things will be done both from the heart and from the brain. While I was going through the contents of the program and the resource panel, two things were very clear. One, the contents cover the entire gamut of applications of AI, right from classroom to boardroom, as the title suggests. So I'm sure that you all have benefited from the tips given by industry resource persons on the applications of AI in the field of marketing, HR, finance, and in the field of education, as educationists, curating the lesson plans, the assessments, and making the learning adaptive for the learners. So I believe that this is the onset of a new journey for all of us. At every place, we are trying to do faculty development programs, wherein as faculty, we are trying to upskill ourselves, invest on our own selves so that we can better serve the student community. I would just like to share with you my recent experience, which I had with the corporate sector. We were training a batch of professionals from Bharat Petroleum on the same topic, applications of AI for business growth. And what we could see is that it was a 3-day program in which we covered various aspects similarly as you have done. And as you have also included the hands-on workshops, we also included an action learning project as a part of the program. So we have a WhatsApp group, and now I can see people posting the outcomes, how we have implemented the learning. So they are so excited about it that our participants, who are actually the owners of various retail outlets of BPCL, the petrol pumps, they are putting in the WhatsApp group that see how we are using the learning to improve our advertisements, our employee branding, our employee engagement, employer branding, and employee engagement. So they have created certain outcomes. Already they've started creating and they are sharing it in the group. So I am sure that we as faculty members who are part of certain now community, which is learned together, we would also like to share the applications of our learning, that how we are implementing it in the class. Those success stories we would like to share in the group. And I'm sure Dr. Savita ma'am and the team would like to acknowledge their success in our success. With these words, I wish you all the best of teaching experience. You all are the frontline warriors when it comes to application of AI in the classroom. And you are going to enable the students to be the frontline warriors when they go to the industry. So I think that Hoshiarpur is very lucky to have a forward-looking, which is bringing government-sponsored projects like this to Hoshiarpur. And I congratulate the leadership team, Dr. Hima Sharma ma'am, Dr. Savita Gupta ma'am, and the coordinator of this program, Ms. Nisha Arora ji, for being the anchor of this very successful faculty development program organized by SD College Hoshiarpur under the aegis of All India Council of Technical Education, Training and Learning Academy. Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really kind words. Ma'am, would you like to say something?
So really, we are, I like to share with all the participants, Dr. Huja is my mentor. And more than that, my best friend. I think friendship hashtag is such a wonderful relation on this universe. So, so really, it's amazing to have her on the board. So otherwise, we were putting her in the panel also, but somehow due to her engagement, it could not happen. But I was eager to have the words from ma'am also. So we are humbled, we are obliged to have ma'am on this board, and your expertise, I think, as you have said to all the participants, that whenever we attend some workshop, if we are not implementing that particular content or the practical skills we have learned, then whole exercise goes to time. So it's always good to go with the whatever we have learned, we need to implement in our day-to-day routine, in our classrooms. And ma'am, I have ensured them that in the initial stage, they are just AI curators. And at the end of the session, they are going to be AI implementer. And I think they are all going to prove it. And wishing them very best of luck, how the different type of AI tools are already in their hands, and they are I have today taken the session sort of gamified way, that making, instead of naming them as a weapons, making our faculty members to be fully equipped with those weapons of AI. So I hope
Great.
everyone must have learned a lot. They have updated their skills. All the resource persons have taken them throughout the journey of the 6-day FDP. So thank
Sure,
you
ma'am.
so much. So now, please be with us. We just want to have some other participants' observations also. What was their experience?
Ji. Sure,
Anyone?
ji.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good evening,
evening.
Ahuja ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Swati
Myself,
ma'am.
Dr. Swati. Yeah, I'm Dr. Swati Mehra. I'm from Indore, ma'am. And as you have put forward, and as Savita ma'am has put forward, we were like listening each and every bit of the resource persons, like we will miss something, right? I think one of the FDP where I have not missed in any single session also. And I think most of the peoples will agree that we were actually watching it thoroughly and we were engrossed totally 100%. I don't know what we will be scoring in the quiz though, but we have actually acknowledged each and everything, and we will try to implement this thing in the classroom itself. Every resource person was a gem of a person, and they have given, I think, 200% of them, and we were totally engrossed. Thank you so much. I think when I was applying, I was just going through the means dates where I can actually be means giving all the time. So it was prominently coming as a, I think I have clicked to the confirm button. I think I am very much lucky that I came across to such a beautiful team actually who have worked so hard, I think. Yes, but yes, the last glitch which happened is just today itself during the quiz. Otherwise, we have not faced a single issues during this 6 days. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Nisha ma'am, for coordinating, and thank you, Savita ma'am, for giving us the opportunity to attend this 6 days workshop. Right? Thank you, all of
You're
you.
most welcome.
Yes.
Actually,
Thank
the
you so
glitch is
much.
at Atal's side only. So I am going to share the quiz link as well as feedback link in the chat box today. So do I
No
share
worries.
both of them?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, no worries at all. But yes, practically the messages were flooding like anything, like 200 messages just flooded over in the WhatsApp chat just because of that error. Otherwise, it was a smooth conducting FDP, I think, where nothing happens between the session, I think. Very smoothly conducted. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Swati ma'am. Dr. Saab, your word means a lot to us. And,
No, ma'am.
and
I'm very much younger. I'm very much like, I'm also in an initial stage to learn each and everything from the seniors itself. So I think each and every person, I think right now 64 people have actually attended right now this session. But I think everyone will agree that we have also learned a lot from you too also, right? Thank you.
thank you. Thank you so much. Anyone who wants to share their feedback, observations?
Hello,
Please.
ma'am.
Hello, Dr. Neeta.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am, I want to same frame once again. I because मैं जनरली बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ करती थी उसे एफटीपी की, क्यों वो एसपीएसएस पे थी। आप और सुनैना मैम पर्सनली हर किसी के टेबल पे जाते थे, ये मतलब एश्योर करने के लिए कि सबको वो नॉलेज मिल रही है या नहीं, रिसोर्स पर्सन के अलावा। एंड उसकी एग्जांपल मुझे लगता है मैं तब से 7-8 साल हो गए सबको देती थी कि दैट वाज वेरी गुड एफडीपी, कि वहां पर एलपीयू में पर्सनली सबको नॉलेज मिली या नहीं मिली वो श्योर करते थे। और वो सेम वो लेवल आज की एफडीपी पे भी मुझे लगा दोबारा देखने को। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच। आपने हमारा गुजरा हुआ जमाना याद करवा दिया है।
Yes, ma'am, आप दोनों
These kind of FTPs would definitely be arranged by educational institutions so that um, teachers or intellectual persons can uh, gain these kind of knowledge. And definitely AI is the future.
True.
The topic of this FDP is like because AI is the future, and somehow it will also come into the education sector.
Right. Right.
Corporate sector is already hit by AI. They are already using AI, but now it is our turn
Very true. Very true.
to use AI or and its tools is in our full knowledge, so that we can further train students about these tools
True.
and how AI can help them
Very true.
to solve their problems and get
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nitish sir, for your kind words that, as sir has also said, that the journey should move on. Thank you so much. So anyone else who wants to share something, it's the board is open. We learn from your observation, your feedback, so that we can have improvement as well as we can analyze. Harish Mittu sir is also there. Dr. Saab, if you could say something, Dr. Harish.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bindu ma'am.
At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the organizers, the coordinator, and all the resource persons who have given their best for making this FDP a great success. Ma'am, I am Dr. Bindu Malviya and I am from Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. And here I am serving as a professor in management department.
Wow.
Ma'am, actually, the logic behind joining this FDP was like I was also having lots of doubts and so many like a fear that this AI has brought a lot of challenges for teaching fraternity. But after listening, and I would like to tell you that I am also a resource person in one of the FDPs at Atal. So I just wanted to have some insights. I wanted to know more about this. Artificial intelligence. So this was a very nice platform and I learned a lot, and the doubts, the insights which I have got from this particular FDP, that is amazing, that is wonderful. And I never felt that it is an online FDP. It was it was like face to face FDP. So that
Wonderful.
feeling I didn't get, that it is an this FDP is going online. So it was very interactive, very interesting. The resource persons which you have, the spectrum of resource persons which you have invited, they were really wonderful, amazing, very knowledgeable, very intellect. So I thank you all for organizing such a wonderful event and giving us increasing helping in enhancing our knowledge and the experiences of the resource persons, and implementing all these things what we have learned related to artificial intelligence in our profession. Thanks again, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Your work means
Very
a lot.
good evening, ma'am.
Very good
First
evening.
of all, I congrats to you and your whole team
Thank you.
for crafting such a effective this online FDP. All of us learned a lot with the active participations, and the resource persons take care each and every doubt. Help us a lot. Thank you, ma'am. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Saab. So anyone else who wants to say something? We are seeing the flood of masses with thank you and congratulations. Anyone else who wants to say something? The board is open. I think we are not. Dr. Prakash Kumar is there if he could hear. Dr. Kulmani, Dr. Prakash. Dr. Ajit is there or not? Otherwise, he was very, proactive participants of ours.
And Dr. Govindan has also written some.
Yes, ma'am. Dr. Prakash is here. Good evening to all.
Good evening.
Actually, there is some kind of network glitch due to heavy rainfall in Chhattisgarh, ma'am. That's why I am quite disturbed here today.
Right.
So it was very good FDP I have attended, specifically the reinforcement learning. I have learned a lot. So I had a very good experience with this all, and I thank you all for this FDP organizing this FDP. And in future, I will also connect with you all in some another just like this FDP. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Dr. Ajit Joshi, Niyati, do you want to say something, Niyati? We have Niyati Padmar. I think we are getting the messages all from the participants. So I think now we need to propose the formal vote of thanks. So Nisha ma'am, please go ahead. Unmute yourself, Nisha ma'am, if you could. So we are getting a congratulation message and gratitude shown by the participant like Ryan Rafat, Niyati, Gurpreet Kaur, all are saying it was a great FDP. Dr. Marutik K is also appreciating for the same. We have piled up messages from different participants like Pooja ma'am from SD College, Shilpa ma'am, Bindu ma'am, Dr. Santok. He has written congratulations and thank you ma'am for organizing the FTP nicely. Portal was having issue, but it will be taken care of. Preeti ma'am is saying thanks. Manisha ma'am from SD College, all are putting congratulating the organizers. Ms. Isha Tiwari has thanked the organizers, Dr. Govindan and Mur Patel, Sahib Singh, Mayur, and Suchi ma'am. Also grateful for that. Manpreet ma'am is there. So all are sending their, gratitude for this organizing particular program. So yes, over to you, ma'am.
Should I
Yes,
formally give
please.
thanks? So first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for blessing us with the energy and spirit to conduct this FTP successfully. Next, I would like to extend gratitude towards our management and principal ma'am for letting us proceed with this great FTP. Next, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished resource persons who have shared their vast knowledge, rich insights, and practical experiences with us. Their sessions have been highly enlightening and have broadened the perspectives of AI-based management systems topics. A sincere thanks to all the participants who joined us with great enthusiasm and made this FTP more interactive and engaging by sharing their valuable thoughts and queries. So with this, we formally conclude the program and thank you once again and looking forward to meeting you in future academic and professional endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nisha ma'am. I think Nitika ma'am is ready with the national anthem.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Right. Please share the screen so that we can conclude the program.
Okay, ma'am.
So requesting everyone to rise for national anthem.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
Thank you everyone. And now everyone is, very much conditioned to be online daily at 6 to 9, and we are going to miss all the participants. We were interacting
Ma'am,
daily.
last announcement I would like to make. I have shared today's feedback link in chat box, and those who have missed their quiz and could not attempt it at our website, they are requested to fill in the link shared in the chat box as well as in WhatsApp group. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye to everyone. Sayonara. Bye-bye. And see you on another platform in the same way. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.
Savita, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. And I also thank you, ma'am, also our president, ma'am, for joining us. I think ma'am has promised us to join, but I could not see here. But I'm very much heartfelt obliged for ma'am's presence. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. So we are going to end the meeting. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, group मत dissolve करिएगा.
Okay, we will never. Oh, हमारी आज की वैसे तो clip भी रह गई. चलो.
No worry, ma'am. I will take the shots.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. Otherwise, we have invited all the resource persons.